Welcome. Thank y'all for coming out. It's exciting to come home. I say home because Atlanta's like a second home to me. I went to Morehouse undergrad, which is where I kind of really started doing film. So it's exciting to hear that everybody in this room, for the most part, was like, I want to own this. I want to build this. I want to create the biggest this. The first sort of lesson in today's class really is about defining what your purpose is. A producer is kind of whatever she or he needs to be on a project. Some people assume that producing just means the physical aspects of bringing a crew together and hiring people, etc. Or that you're responsible for finding the right project, the right book, or the right article, or the right screenplay or idea to develop into a movie. The way that I was trained to produce was to do all of those things from A to Z. And for all of you in this room who mentioned wanting to start your own company, etc., you're gonna have to do it all, right? You wanna know how to do it all. That's why I wanted to spend so much time with y'all talking about what your most ambitious goal is, and then also what your biggest fear is, because often they're in direct competition with each other. But when you're clear on your purpose, like the rest doesn't really matter.